Does karma really have a role in our daily life? What is Karma Yoga, or the law of intangible benefits? How can I relate to it in this time and age? This is Sahila once again with another story that is raw, sensible, and uninhibited, the law of intangible benefits, or Karma Yoga. A few months ago, I heard of a terrible car accident that had occurred to a distant family member where 4 adults and a 6-year-old boy called Ajit were terribly hurt and had to undergo several operations. I have met the boy's parents once few years ago in a social gathering, and we have remained as acquaintances. The idea of a small kid of that age undergoing major surgeries to his spine and limbs instantly tore my heart apart. I remember crying and praying to God along with my kids for his speedy recovery. I always believed that kids' prayers had a special power because they are innocent and pure souls. I decided to be there for that family and called and spoke to his doctors every day, offering a listening ear to all the events and tests and treatments that were happening. Even though they were miles away, I decided to fly and meet the family in person before Ajit underwent a major operation. Ajit was indeed a wonderful, cheerful boy with many braces around his body and still trying to be an inquisitive kid. I offered support and advice to his parents, who obviously seemed shattered with everything that has been going on. It's also worth mentioning that Ajit's father had undergone a major heart surgery a few months ago, and Ajit was also a big brother to his 3-month-old baby sister. However, the parents refused to succumb to the pressure around them and made every decision for Ajit consciously and bravely. And after a few months, Ajit eventually started to recover and is now in rehab, walking on his own without crutches. A few weeks after Ajit's operation, I slowly started to realize that my car was giving screeching sounds, especially while applying brakes. I spend a lot of time driving in that car daily, taking my kids to their schools, after school activities, and to run several errands every day. At first, I ignored the sounds like most of us do, and I kept postponing the visit to the mechanic. The front headlights then gave way as if it was indicating me to stop driving. I finally was forced to go to the mechanic for a service, and when I went to pick up my car the next day, I was in shock from what he told me. The mechanic exclaimed while showing the broken brake system, "You are very lucky you are alive. We found your brakes where the top screw was intact while the bottom screw was gone and totally out of position. Had it been the other way around, where the top screw was broken, then your brakes would not work, and there would have been a high possibility of you being in a car accident. I have replaced it now, so you are good to go," he said. Almost immediately, this reminded me of Ajit and his car accident. I knew our family's prayers and compassion towards Ajit was protecting me and my kids. We always tend to ignore some danger signs when we are in a rush with our daily life chores. But the good karma we do to serve humanity has bigger dimensions and will always come back to protect us, even if we forget to protect ourselves. This is the law of intangible benefits. Due to my belief in Karma Yoga, I was able to relate the significance of these two incidents as if they were related to each other and as if they were speaking to me, reinforcing the law of karma, that every action must have a reaction. When I later explained this to my kids, they understood why I preferred to work for a service rather than for a salary. Many times we fail to realize these intangible benefits that come our way and blame it on luck. A positive thinker always sees the invisible and feels the intangible and achieves the impossible. Remember, you are never going to regret for being kind. Sahila, dedicated to Karma Yoga, because everything that goes around comes around someday. If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to share it with your friends and family. Until next time, this is Sahila signing off. Bye.